If you're a Mac user, you've probably used the built-in screenshot and screen recording tools before. They're okay, but let's be real, they're pretty basic. That's where CleanShot X comes in. CleanShot X combines multiple tools into a single app, making tasks like taking screenshots, recording your screen, and sharing content straightforward and efficient. Let's break it down and see why it's worth the hype. What makes CleanShot X special? When I first started using CleanShot X, I immediately noticed how much smoother it made everything. It's not just about taking a screenshot. It's about what you can do with that screenshot. Imagine being able to edit, annotate, blur, share, and even scroll capture all in one place. That's what CleanShot X offers. Annotate like a pro. Annotations is one of those things that you don't realize you need until you do. CleanShot X lets you add arrows, text, shapes, and highlights to your screenshots right after you take them. Let's say you're putting together a tutorial or giving feedback on a design. You don't need to switch to another app to draw on your image. It's all right there. But the standout feature here is the blur tool. How many times have you taken a screenshot only to realize that you needed to hide some personal information, like maybe an email address or account number? Before CleanShot X, I had to open up Photoshop or some other editing app just to blur something out. But now I can do it in just a few seconds. It's as simple as selecting the blur tool, dragging it over the part that you want hidden, and boom, privacy protected. The annotation tools are incredibly flexible too. You can change colors, adjust sizes, and even pixelate sections if you prefer that look. It's like having a mini editing studio built right into the app. And if you make a mistake, you can just hit undo. It's that simple. Scroll and capture might be my favorite feature. Imagine this. You're trying to capture an entire web page, but it's too long to fit on your screen. Instead of zooming out, with CleanShot X, you can grab the whole thing in one go. Here's how it works. First, you select scroll and capture from the menu. Then you drag to select the area that you want to capture, say the visible portion of a web page. Once you hit start capture, you just scroll through the page. CleanShot X records everything and stitches it together into one seamless image. No awkward gaps, no messy edits. I used to rely on browser extensions for this, but they were often clunky and only worked in specific browsers. But CleanShot X works anywhere. Browsers, apps, documents, you name it, it works. It's perfect for saving chat histories, long articles, or even spreadsheets. And the quality is crystal clear, just like the original. Now let's talk about screen recording. Sure, macOS has QuickTime, but it's pretty bare bones. CleanShot X takes screen recording to a whole new level. First off, you can capture both your screen and your system's audio, and even internal audio as well. So it could capture your voice, as well as any music or sounds that you were playing on your computer. In fact, I'm using it right now to record my screen as well as my audio. Now, if you've ever tried to record a video tutorial or a gameplay session, you know how frustrating it is when the built-in tools can't grab the sound from your Mac. CleanShot X fixes that, and it doesn't stop there. You can also add a webcam overlay, which is a game changer for presentations and tutorials. Want to show your face while you're explaining something? No problem. You can move the webcam window around, resize it, or even toggle between full screen and picture-in-picture mode while recording. It's super flexible. And one feature that I absolutely love is the ability to highlight mouse clicks and keystrokes. It makes your recordings so much more engaging and easier to follow. Imagine creating a tutorial where viewers can actually see the keys you're pressing. It's such a small detail, but it really makes a huge difference. When it comes to video quality, you're in control. You can record in resolutions up to 4K and adjust the frame rate to match your needs. There's even a built-in video editor for quick adjustments like trimming, adjusting volume, or changing playback speed. It's everything that you need in one place. Have you ever needed to grab text from an image or a video? CleanShot X's OCR, which stands for Optical Character Recognition feature, is a lifesaver. Let's say you're looking at a scanned document or a paused video with important information on the screen. Instead of typing it out manually, you can use CleanShot X to copy the text directly. Here's how it works. You select the capture text option, drag over the text you want to copy, and that's it. The text is instantly then copied to your clipboard. What's even better is that this process happens entirely on your device, so you don't have to worry about privacy issues. Now, I've used this feature for everything from grabbing quotes from PDFs to copying long URLs from images. It's quick, accurate, and it's incredibly useful. Hide desktop clutter. We've all been there. You're about to share your screen during a meeting and your desktop is a mess. CleanShot X has a feature that lets you hide all your desktop icons with a single click. It's perfect for presentations, screen recordings, or just staying focused. Once you're done, you can bring everything back just as easily. Now, what I love about this feature is how seamless it is. You can even use it in real time while sharing your screen. Whether you're on a Zoom call or creating a tutorial, you don't have to worry about exposing sensitive or distracting files. It's one of those little touches that make CleanShot X feel polished and professional. CleanShot X also comes with built-in cloud storage. You get 1 GB of free storage with your purchase, which is perfect for sharing screen recordings and screenshots. Here's how it works. After taking a screenshot or recording, you can upload it to the cloud with a single click. CleanShot X generates a shareable link, making it easy to send files to colleagues, friends, or clients. If you need more storage or advanced features like custom domains, then there's a pro tier subscription available. But honestly, free storage has been more than enough for my needs. I use it to share quick updates with my team or send annotated screenshots to clients. It's fast, reliable, and incredibly convenient. CleanShot X isn't just for tech enthusiasts. It's literally for everyone. Here's how it fits into some different workflows. For professionals, let's say you're preparing a presentation for work. You can use CleanShot X to capture high quality screenshots, annotate them with notes or highlights, and even blur sensitive information. Need to share a long email thread? Use the scroll and capture feature to grab it all in one go. And during meetings, the ability to hide desktop icons ensures that your screen stays professional and distraction free. Now, for content creators, if you're a YouTuber or educator, then CleanShot X is a dream come true. You can record tutorials with system audio, highlight important actions with mouse click animations, and even include webcam overlay for a personal touch. The built-in editor makes it easy to polish your videos before uploading them, saving you some time and effort. For personal use, even outside of work, CleanShot X is incredibly handy, and it's way better than the built-in Mac tools. Maybe you're trying to troubleshoot an issue and you need to send a screenshot to support, or perhaps you're planning a DIY project and you want to capture ideas from different websites. CleanShot X makes all of this easier, and features like the OCR mean that you can quickly copy text from images or paused videos without any extra steps. Okay, so let's go ahead and take a look at how CleanShot X works. So I went ahead and rerouted the original keyboard shortcuts for taking screenshots and screen recordings and made them my own. So to go ahead and take a screenshot, I have it set up to Command-Shift-4, and then we get the little crosshairs there, and I can go ahead and take a screenshot. So maybe we'll just grab this section right here, let go, and then we have it down here. Now from here, it's just gonna hang out there until I do something. That is a setting that I set up in CleanShot. And then from here, we can either just click copy, and then it'll go to our clipboard, and it'll go away. We can press save, and that'll just save it to whatever folder structure you have set up. I have it set up to just save straight to my desktop. Or if we kind of click just right here, double click on that, it brings up the editor and annotator. So this is what the editor and annotator looks like. So we can do a lot here. We have the crop tool here. So we can crop in any direction, and it will, if there were lines, these will automatically snap to those lines, which is kind of nice. But if you want to turn that off, you can just hold Command. There aren't any lines on here, so you can't really see that happening. But that's a nice tool there. So you go ahead and crop it just like that. Maybe we want to bring it in here and just get those icons out from the side. We can do that and hit crop. Next up, another tool that I use all the time is this background here. So we can go ahead and click on that. And then CleanShot comes with a ton of different gradients that you can choose from here that are honestly really nice and pretty. You can also just have it be whatever background you have. I like this blurred background. I think it just gives it like something, but also just kind of like keeps the focus on the screenshot. And then you can also just pick a plain color as well. Something else you can do then too is you can add the padding, so that will show how much of that background is showing. I like to keep it kind of, something like that. Again, keep the focus on the actual screenshot. And then you can also do inset too. So that will extend the original screenshot itself, so it's not so close to the edge, which again, it's so easy. It works so well. And this is a really good example because this is just a one color of that screenshot. And so it just looks super natural and extends. Sometimes if you're taking screenshots and it's like a web page where, maybe there's borders or some other colors, it'll do its best, but it won't look this clean but this was a good example of that. And then you can also add some shadow to it. And again, just a couple sliders. It just makes it so easy to make your screenshot look so much more professional. Moving on, we have some other tools up here. So we have just your mouse. We have a rectangle box here. So if you need to highlight something, you can do that. And you can also change to any of these colors here, any of these stroke lengths here. So if you wanted something super thick, you can do something like that. There's also this option here, which is just like a solid rectangle. And again, you can change the color. There's a circle here as well. If you need to like bring attention to something, just a plain line, an arrow, like this is really handy if like you want to point to something, you know, like click right here to go ahead and try SetApp free for 7 days and then $9.90 a month after that, you know, or, you know, sign up with your Apple account or your Google account. Again, they just make it super easy to use. We can go ahead and add some text here saying that CleanShot X is awesome. It really is. Use it every day. Next up, this is the pixelate frame here too. So maybe there's some sensitive information here you didn't want them to see. You could do that. So that's kind of cool. This area sort of, what this does is it's like a call out. I think it kind of like blurs everything else, you know, so if you just want to like select that, you see it kind of darkens the rest of the image. So that's really all you see. You can like kind of see it there and you can change the amount with that slider. The next one here, this is like a numbering thing. This is great for like tutorials or like step-by-step. You know, like the first thing I want you to look at is the app. And then the second thing is that next you could try for free for 7 days and then something like that. So that's really good for the tutorials. If you need to like number anything. We have just a pen. And lastly, we have this highlighter, which is nice if you want to like highlight just some text or, you know, maybe you're going over a document or something. That works great for that. And then from here, you can either go ahead and hit save as, and then you can choose what folder on your computer you want to save it to, or you can go ahead and click right here and then share it directly if that's to text message, email, a reminder, anything like that. Or you can just go ahead and click this button here and that will copy it to your clipboard. You can go ahead and copy it again if you want from here and then I'll get that away. Now let's quickly go ahead and show you how to use the scrolling capture tool. We'll go ahead and do a scrolling capture of this whole website. I have that shortcut to Command-Shift-9 and then you just drag it to the screen that the area you want to focus on. So we'll just get this middle area here and then you can go ahead and press start capture. And then you can either start scrolling yourself, which I did when I first started using this, but now I just let it do auto scroll and it does a fantastic job. So you just click on auto scroll and then the mouse needs to be in the area that you're capturing. So if I move out to the left here, it'll pause, which is kind of nice if you're like, oh, whoa, that's enough. Then you can go press done. But if I need to go further, you just move your mouse back, just to want something to keep in mind. We'll go ahead, that looks good enough. And then again, we can go ahead and open up that editor as well. And if we full screen this and then press Command-1, that will fit it, the entire screenshot on the screen there. So as you can see, this is a massive screenshot. And if we zoom in, we can see like just how good that looks. This sort of looks like we're on the website now, but we can zoom out and see everything. That's a really neat feature. And those are just a couple of my favorite tools in CleanShot X. Now, one of the best things about CleanShot X is its pricing. For a one-time payment of $29, you get a lifetime license, free updates for a year, and 1 gigabyte of cloud storage. Now, if you're someone who prefers subscriptions, then there's a pro tier option for teams and power users. And if you already use SetApp, CleanShot X is included in their bundle. But if you're not already set up with SetApp, then we'll have a link for you down in the description where you can go ahead and try it for 7 days for free. And then it's $9.99 per month after that. And SetApp gets you access to over 250 premium Mac and iOS apps that honestly I use every single day. So go ahead and check out the link down in the description to get started with SetApp. Now, what I love about this pricing model is the flexibility. You're not locked into a subscription if you don't want to be, and the one-time fee is incredibly reasonable for what you're getting. Now, let's be honest. Mac OS's default tools are fine for basic tasks, but they don't hold a candle to CleanShot X. Take the screen recording, for example. QuickTime can't capture internal audio, doesn't offer webcam overlays, and lacks editing tools. CleanShot X fills all those gaps and more. And it's not just about the recording. The annotation tools in CleanShot X are far superior to what you get with Mac OS. The ability to blur or pixelate parts of your image, customize backgrounds, or even use OCR makes CleanShot X feel like a must-have app. So if you've been frustrated by the limitations of Mac's built-in screenshot and screen recording tools, then CleanShot X is the upgrade you've been waiting for. It's not just a tool, it's a productivity powerhouse that transforms how you capture and share content. From scrolling capture to advanced screen recording features, CleanShot X takes what Mac's native tools lack and amplifies it with incredible features and flexibility. So no matter if you're a professional who needs to annotate with precision, content creator making tutorials, or someone who frequently takes screenshots, CleanShot X has all the tools that you'll need in one easy-to-use app. Its user-friendly design and versatile features make it a must-have for anyone looking to streamline their workflow and get more done with less hassle. So if you're ready to experience the difference, then you'll find the links down in the description to get started with CleanShot X as a standalone app or through the SetApp subscription. Now, these are affiliate links, which means that we earn a small commission when you use them at no extra cost to you. And these commissions really help support the channel and allow us to continue creating free content just like this. So if you end up using them, we thank you so much in advance. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss another video. Here on this channel, we provide in-depth reviews and comparisons of different software tools to help you find the best software solutions for streamlining your business and boosting productivity. So be sure to subscribe. But other than that, thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you here in the next video.